Chapter number 5 Fractions Part 2. Students, in the last class we have learned equivalent fractions. In this session we are going to learn like fractions, unlike fractions, how to convert unlike fractions into like fractions and compare those fractions. We have different shapes here. Now, if I tell you to represent the color part or portion using fraction, how will you represent them? If I look at a first shape, there are 4 equal parts has been divided into, and out of 4 equal parts, one part is color. So I can represent it as 1 upon 4 using fractions. What about second shape? There are 4 equal parts once again, and how many are color? 3. So 3 out of 4 equal parts are color. So I can represent as 3 upon 4 using fractions. What about third shape, diamond shape? There are 4 equal parts once again, and how many are color? 1. So 1 out of 4 equal part is colored. So I can represent as 1 upon 4 using fractions. What about fourth shape? Square. There are 4 equal parts once again, and how many are color? 3. So 3 out of 4 equal parts are color. So I can represent as 3 upon 4 using fractions. So 1 upon 4, 3 upon 4, 1 upon 4 and 3 upon 4. So did you notice something interesting about these fractions? Well, if you observe carefully, all the fractions have 4 as a denominator. Denominator is a part which is written in the bottom. So the bottom part is 4 in all the fractions. That is, each of the image here or each of the shape here is divided into 4 equal parts. That is, the total number of part is 4. So each fractions are 4 in the denominator. Now there is a special name given to such fractions. So such fractions are called like fractions. The group of 2 or more fractions that have exactly the same denominator are called like fractions. So students, can one fraction be a like fraction? That if I write 1 by 4 and ask you, is it a like fraction? Will you able to answer? No. We need 2 or more fractions, then only we can compare whether their denominator are same or not, right? So the group of 2 or more fractions that have exactly the same denominator are called like fractions. So what about these fractions? In first shape, I can see the color portion is 1 out of 5 equal parts. So it is 1 by 5. In second shape, circle, I can see the color part is 1 out of 2 equal parts. So it is 1 by 2. And in third shape, I can see the color portion is 4 out of 8 equal parts. So it is 4 upon 8. So in this case, we see that the denominators are all different. So these fractions are called unlike fractions. In 2 or more fractions, the denominator bottom number are different. They are called as unlike fractions. Converting unlike fractions into like fractions. Now students, we will see how to convert unlike fractions into like fractions. Consider this example, 2 upon 3 and 5 upon 8. Now you can see both the denominators are different. So to convert into like fractions, we have to make both the denominators same. For that, take both the denominators and find a common multiple of the denominators of both the fractions. Here, multiples of 3's are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27 and so on. Multiples of 8 are 8, 16, 24, 32 and so on. Now, choose the least common multiple to make the denominators equal. Choose the smallest common multiple to make the denominators equal. Now you can see 24 is the smallest common multiple in both the denominator. So take 24 to make the denominators equal. Write first fractions 2 upon 3. Now to get 24 as a denominator, we have to multiply 3 by 8, which gives us 24, right? Now multiply the numerator by the same number. Here 2 into 8 gives us 16. So our first fraction is 16 upon 24. Now use the same method for another fraction. Here 5 upon 8. Now to get denominator as 24, multiply the number 8 by 3, which gives us 24, right? Now multiply the numerator by the same number. 5 into 3 gives us 15. So our second fraction is 15 upon 24. So thus 16 upon 24 and 15 upon 24 are the required like fractions. Example 1. Convert 5 upon 6 and 7 upon 9 into like fractions. Here we must find a common multiple for the numbers 6 and 9. Multiples of 6, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36 and so on. Multiples of 9 are 9, 18, 27, 36, 45 and so on. Here the number 18 is a multiple of both 6 and 9. So let us make 18 the denominator of both the fractions. 5 upon 6 is equal to 5 into 3 upon 6 into 3, which is 15 upon 18. 7 upon 9 is equal to 7 into 2, 9 into 2, which is 14 upon 18. Thus 15 upon 18 and 14 upon 18 are like fractions, respectively equivalent to 5 upon 6 and 7 upon 9. Here 18 is a multiple of both 6 and 9. We could also choose numbers like 36 and 54 as a common denominator. Example 2. Convert 4 upon 8 and 5 upon 16 into like fractions. As 16 is twice 8, it is easy to make 16 the common denominator. 4 upon 8 is equal to 4 upon 2 by 8 upon 2, which is 8 upon 16. So 8 upon 16. Thus 8 upon 16 and 5 upon 16 are the required like fractions. Example 3. Find a common denominator for 4 upon 7 and 3 upon 4. The number 28 is a multiple of both 7 and 4. So make 28 the common denominator. 4 upon 7 is equal to 4 into 4, which is 16, and 7 into 4, which is 28. Second, 3 by 4 is equal to 3 into 7, which is 21, and 4 into 7, which is 28. Therefore, 16 and 28 and 21 upon 18 are the required like fractions. Problem set 18. Question number 1. Convert the given fractions into like fractions. First one, 3 upon 4 and 5 upon 8. Now students, you can see here denominators are not equal, means they are unlike fractions. To convert unlike fractions into like fractions, find a common multiple of denominators of both the fractions. Now here multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 and so on. Multiples of 8 are 8, 16, 24, 32 and so on. Now you can see 8 is the smallest common multiple in both the denominator. So to take 8 to make the denominators equal. 3 upon 4 is equal to 3 into 2, which is 6, and 4 into 2, which is 8. Now 6 upon 8 and 5 upon 8 are the required like fractions. Second, 3 upon 5 and 3 upon 7. Now here also you can say the denominators are different. Okay, so to convert unlike fractions into like fractions, find a common multiple of both the fractions, both the denominators. So multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40 and so on. And multiples of 7 are 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42 and so on. Now the common multiple of 5 and 7 is 35. Now take 35 to make the denominators equal. Take first fraction 3 upon 5. 3 upon 5 is equal to 3 into 7 which is 21 and 5 into 7 which is 35. Now take second fraction 3 upon 7. 3 into 5 which is 15 and 7 into 5 which is 35. So 21 upon 35 and 15 upon 35 are required like fractions. Question number 3. 4 upon 5 and 3 upon 10. Multiples of 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 and so on. Multiples of 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and so on. Now common multiple of 5 and 10 is 10. So take 10 to make a denominators equal. Take a first fraction 4 upon 5 is equal to 4 into 2 which is 8 and 5 into 2 which is 10. Therefore 8 upon 10 and 3 upon 10 are the required like fractions. Question number 4. 2 upon 9 and 1 upon 6. Multiples of 9 are 9, 18, 27, 36, 45 and so on. Multiples of 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36 and so on. Now common multiple of 9 and 6 is 18. Take first fraction 2 upon 9 and make 18 as a denominator. So 2 into 2 which is 4 and 9 into 2 which is 18. Take second fraction 1 upon 6. 1 into 3 which is 3 and 6 into 3 which is 18. So 4 upon 18 and 3 upon 18 are the required like fractions. Question number 5. 1 upon 4 and 2 upon 3. Multiples of 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 and so on. Multiples of 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 and so on. Common multiple of 4 and 3 is 12. Now take first fraction 1 upon 4 and make 12 as a denominator. So 1 into 3 which is 3 and 4 into 3 which is 12. Second fraction 2 upon 3 is equal to 2 into 4 which is 8 and 3 into 4 which is 12. So 3 upon 12 and 8 upon 12 are the required like fractions. Question number 6. 5 upon 6 and 4 upon 5. Multiples of 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36 and so on. Multiples of 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35 and so on. Common multiple of 6 and 5 is 30. Now take 30 to make denominators equal. Take first fraction 5 upon 6 is equal to 5 into 5 gives us 25 and 6 into 5 gives us 30. Second fraction 4 upon 5. 4 into 6 gives us 24 and 5 into 6 gives us 30. Therefore 25 upon 30 and 24 upon 30 are the required like fractions. Question number 7. 3 upon 8 and 1 upon 6. Multiples of 8, 16, 24, 32, 40 and so on. Multiples of 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36 and so on. Common multiple of 8 and 6 is 24. Take first fraction 3 upon 8 and make 24 as a denominator. 3 into 3 gives us 9 and 8 into 3 gives us 24. Take second fraction 1 upon 6. 1 into 4 gives us 4 and 6 into 4 gives us 24. Therefore 9 upon 24 and 4 upon 24 are the required like fractions. Question number 8. 1 upon 6 and 4 upon 9. Multiples of 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36 and so on. Multiples of 9, 18, 27, 36 and so on. Common multiple of 6 and 9 is 18. 1 upon 6 is equal to 1 into 3 gives us 3 and 6 into 3 gives us 18. Take second fraction 4 upon 9 is equal to 4 into 2 gives us 8 and 9 into 2 gives us 18. Therefore 3 upon 18 and 8 upon 18 are the required